Namaskar Samastaku, Namaste. So my name is Rashmita Mohanty and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to give you some of the tips for keeping you completely groomed all the time. And it has been 3 months that we are quarantining ourselves. We used to have this regular routine kind of thing, to go to parlors, do some kind of facials, manicure, pedicure. For some people this might not seem important, but yeah, these are really important. We need to keep ourselves groomed all the time. I think I read it in a book or an article where it was said, who is your actual life partner? You yourself are your life partner, because you are with yourself, your body is with yourself the entire life. So it's very important that you take care of yourself and stay groomed all the time. Let's get started now. So I would like to share some 5 kind of important things that we need to do on a regular basis, or you can say a weekly basis, depends on your priorities. Step number 1, make sure that your skin is healthy and shiny. Don't worry about the breakouts or dark patches. You can include some daily basic routines we all are aware of. So kind of exfoliation, or we can do some face mask or DIY homemade facials or something where we are not able to go out and we have to do it on a weekly basis or 3 days once. You can use any one of your choice, but it's a mandatory thing. Step number 2 is hair removal, which I'm also very lazy at. Back then we were used to go to parlors and do the waxing stuff, but here at home we can always use our homemade wax or razors, or there are a lot of things that are available now so that we can do our hair removal. 3 is, so what happens, our hair gets really frizzy because having long hair, it's really difficult to oil it or regularly, keep it nourished, put some hair mask and stuff. But yeah, it is a mandatory routine to make your hair looks really shiny and silky. I know I have been lately not taking care of my hair so far, but I have started doing something like applying hair mask on a weekly basis, and applying something like a curd and egg kind of a mixed hair mask, which I do at my home. I don't have to go outside. So just 30 minutes before you take a shower is enough to give a healthy kind of a feeling to it. We can just apply a hot oil massage, a really good hot oil massage to our hair. We can give it and then wash it the next day, or after 2 hours of hair oil. The 4th thing is making sure that we smell nice. It's not for others, definitely for ourselves. Smelling nice is very important. So if your hair is groomed, your skin shines, you have completely waxed your hands and legs, you feel yourself groomed, doesn't make any sense when you do not smell nice, isn't that so? So smelling nice is important. For that, it's very easy. Use any kind of your favorite perfume, or take a good shower. Especially perfume and deos are the important thing that should be used regularly. It uplifts your mood as well when you really smell nice. So the 5th and the last tip I would like to share with you is something related to manicures, pedicures and doing nails. So actually I was not doing it in a regular basis. I do it when and how I find time, or else I self groom myself at home. But this is really necessary, where having those chapped nails and half applied nail polish, nails are broken. I'm sure that it adds to your personality. So come with me, let me show you something today, some kind of a short video clip showing how females here really take care of themselves by doing this nail. So today's video is a self-grooming day of my life, where I'm going to do pedicure and my nails after a very long time. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a nail lounge which is near my house, and I have taken an appointment, and once I walked into, I was shocked to see so many people around, which I never expected. But yeah, everyone was safe, wearing a mask and careful. I had just called for pedicure and nails.
What's your name?
Rashmita.
You want to come at 5?
I don't think that name was recorded. I mean, they asked my
You want
name.
to come at 5 o'clock?
You can see there are a lot of varieties of nail paints available here, and we have to select one or more colors as per our choice.
Oh.
Which one should I select for the nail? Toenails.
Hi. I'm good, how are you? I'm good. So this is the color.
You want something to print?
Sorry?
Anything to print?
No. I'll ask you if I need some. I'll ask you later if I need some. Thank you. As you can see, I started with pedicure first, where my leg was soaked in hot water and it felt really relaxing. Then I was given kind of a massage with aloe vera and moisturizing cream. Leg was scrubbed and a hot towel was wrapped around my legs. These are the options that are available, from which we can select one as per our convenience. So this is a me time for all the people sitting here doing the pedicure while reading a book, listening to some very good music and relaxing with a hot cup of coffee. Now it's time to do my nails, so I tried acrylic nails this time and kept my nails short. So let's see how it's done. Hello people, I'm back home and I want to show you my nails. I was literally dying to make my nails from so long time, and finally I did it. Yep. A lot of variety of nails that we actually have options to do. So one is like a gel one is acrylic, and even in that there are lot of varieties which I am also new to. So yeah, I tried this one single shade of glittery blue and it's good. I would definitely suggest you people something. So before you go to do your nails, please look at some photos, do some research, what kind of colors you would like to apply to your nails, because what happens is once you reach to that nail salon, you get so confused out there because there are a lot of options that you get to see. And finally I ended up putting this blue glittery shade and I love it. It's so good. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Rashmita Mohanty. I am from Orissa, India, and you can see a lot of daily vlogs, lifestyles, traveling, entertainment videos in my channel. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. And please do give a like as well if you like my video. Thank you so much. Much love. See you in my next video. Bye bye.